Hey, what's up, guys? RC Pranks.
And I'm Kyson.
RC Pranks vlogs back here, and today we're doing a video on the channel.
And I'm Kyson. And I'm Ebola.
So this year in 5th grade, we're doing like a softball game. Like we're playing softball, and so we've been practicing. I don't know if you can see that. There's my glove and my backpack.
Here, I can pull it out.
No, just leave it. Here, point it to it. There's my softball mitt, catching mitt.
Dude, I'm used to playing baseball though. I'm not used to
Yeah, I'm so used to playing baseball.
This is a baseball bat though, and everybody likes to use it.
Yeah, because it's a fat barrel. So,
It's fat.
so today we are doing an unboxing video. Actually, I'll just put this.
Go there!
So, I will just be doing a normal video. It's gonna be on this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So when we get back home, you guys will be seeing my very first unboxing video. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're not leaving.
And this one, these three, I jumped up and I landed on my side on the concrete and they scraped on the
Trevin, say bye.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh?
Yeah, you can get a 4. You can
You didn't score high enough. Jack,
say bye to the channel. We'll see you when we're back home.
what's up guys? We are home and now we're doing my unboxing. That's right, we got the package. Let's open it. What the? Somebody already opened it. I guess I'll open it on this side. Gotta be extra careful. Now guys, I have not told you what is in here. So leave a comment down below. Pause the video. And then pause the video and leave a comment down below what you think it is. What it is. Okay? I'm waiting. Alright, if you've done that, if you haven't, too bad. That's tiny! That is tiny. Well, here it is. A flexible tripod. I finally got a tripod, guys. Finally, I got a tripod. I actually got a tripod, guys. But it looks so much bigger on Amazon. Like, what the heck? It looks so much bigger on Amazon. Like, huge on Amazon. That just looks so tiny. Oh dang, there's no mount. No screw mount. Alright, let's go get my pink camera and see how well it holds up. Here it is. Screwing it on. It's on. That looks so weird. Like, look at that. Let's see if it holds up. If it does not hold up, then there's no point. It holds up. Booyah. we've got action. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming on my GoPro and film on this. Hey yo. So you are now on my pink camera on my tripod. That actually feels really good. I love the feeling of it. Like, it doesn't feel too crooked. It feels perfect. So, I'm actually so excited for this thing. Because now I can just leave you guys somewhere. You guys can still see me. So, this is not just an unboxing video, but also partly a vlog. So, we're just letting Harley out. Woo! Now you guys are gonna hear like a little wind because it's windy here in Utah right now. I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod. Over. Bang. Bada bang, bada boom. How do you guys like it? This is my very first time using a tripod, so I'm not very experienced. I'm so sorry for the vision, guys. Again, I'm still using like the crappy camera, like the pink old crappy camera. So, but I'm so excited for this right now because like I've never seen one of these things in person. Like ever. So this is very exciting for me. I'm trying to get it to stay, but it won't. This tripod does not work very well. There. How do you guys like it? Not too shabby. I'm tie-inning you guys. That's actually pretty loose. I'm actually kind of worried about that. Well, leave a comment down below what you guys think of my brand new tripod. I'm actually worried about this thing because let's take you guys off. I'm taking you guys off the tripod. Thing is, yeah, it's the same size. Hang on. Alright, let's go inside. Put you guys back on the tripod. Alright, oh shoot, tripod down. So I just tightened it. That's not that bad. Come on, Harley. Put you guys back on. This tripod's actually pretty cool. I like it. Ow. We're gonna do a quick trick. Hang on. I need to see if that thing's lined up. I can't tell. There.
shoot, you okay? Sorry.
Settle down. All right. You guys ready? This tripod is very... Woohoo! Woo! How do you like that, son? Oh! Alright, I'm gonna do a front flip. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! I love this tripod. It's sick. I love it. Let's go inside. All right. So that was my unboxing video for this. Today's Tuesday, but you guys will be seeing this maybe on Wednesday. So now you know what I unbox. So now I'm just gonna log on to the computer. Whoa. The heck? Computer might have reset. Yep, it reset. Oh yeah, power went out here. Yeah, you see my lacrosse stick, huh? Alright, so, hang on guys, watch this. I'm just so excited because I actually got a tripod so I can just set you guys up wherever I want. Crooked. Ready? Alright guys, so that was my unboxing and unboxing and vlog channel today. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. I've told Green Shark RC, but I haven't told you guys. What the heck? I did not pop that up. Okay, ready? Here's, what the heck? Oh. Okay. So, hang on, it's loading. In the meantime, guys, you guys will not be seeing any more footage from this camera for a little while. So, here's the stuff that I'm getting on Amazon. Right here. What the heck? Okay, so that's the camera that I'm getting right here. I'm getting this camera. Hang on, let it load. So, I'm getting this camera, okay? It's pretty good. It has, so I'm actually really excited about this. So, and then I'm getting this tripod, a 50-inch. It has a leveler. Yeah, I'll lift you guys up. It's got, hang on. It's got a leveler, all the stuff that I need. Okay, all the stuff that I need, all of it. And then I'm getting this SD card for that camera up there. This SD card, a 32 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra 80 millibytes. I'm just really excited. So this one's $9, and then I don't know if I've shown you this yet. I do not know, but I'm getting this GoPro, this camera. I'm getting it. So I'm just so excited about this camera because like it has a waterproof case. It has all the mounts that I'm looking for, like right there, the clamp, and then the wristband mount, 2 batteries, selfie stick mount, and then like this, like a tripod mount, which I'm so excited because then I can put my GoPro on this selfie stick. Not selfie stick. Tripod. Oh my gosh, that looks so weird. So I don't know if Roman Atwood has one of these, but I think he does. I think that he has like a bigger one though. So, what do you guys think of the tripod? Leave a comment down, pause the video, and leave a comment down below what you guys think of this tripod. Here, I'm gonna take you guys off of it. So, What do you guys think of this? It's a tripod, like it's one of those flexible tripods, so like it can bend, can hook around things. See that? It can do all sorts of stuff, which I'm so excited about. I'm just speechless right now because I actually have a tripod. I'm just so like last time I've uploaded, I had to use the camera, and now I can just use this tripod to set it up. Like, I'm just so excited right now. And like, instead of holding it by hand, I can put it onto the tripod, or you guys onto the tripod. I'm just so excited right now. Alright, I'm gonna go tighten this. But now I can't put you guys. What the heck is this? I'm so confused what this is. Whose stuff is this? Alright. Let's tighten her up. That's pretty tight. Stick her on. She's not going anywhere. Alright, so this is going to be the end of my video because soon I got to go to baseball practice. And then, alright, hang on, I want to show you guys one more thing for you guys that I'm getting. It's not really that important, but right here I'm getting 32 gig, let it load, a 32 gigabyte SanDisk micro SD, and then that's an adapter. That's the adapter. I'm just speechless because I have not been on YouTube for a long time. And the cool thing about that adapter is that I can just stick the micro right into that slot and put it into this camera, and I'll have 32 gigs. And then if I want to edit, I don't have to use this thing anymore. It's an SD card reader. I can just use that, stick the micro SD card in the slot, and then stick it in there. That's an SD card reader. I'm just so excited to get all my stuff. Okay, so I just ordered some fidget spinners too. Fidget cube and fidget spinner. So, and you guys soon will see me with some Smile More merch. I'm getting navy blue, maroon? Nah, navy blue. Navy blue, 1012, medium. And I'm getting a pop socket, 2 pop sockets. 2 of these pop sockets. They're Smile More white. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna get into my YouTube business, editing, watching, uploading. YouTube. Let's see what Roman Atwood has uploaded. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys. Roman Atwood backyard floor. Okay, so you know their hole that they digged? It filled up with water. That is so cool. That is so cool. I just can't stop playing with my tripod. Alright. So I'm going to end this video here. Alright, I'm going to say it. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what I should do next in Pranksters. RC Pranks. Peace out.